Doral, located in South Florida, is no stranger to powerful storms and hurricanes. The area's tropical climate, while beautiful, comes with the risk of extreme weather that can pose a serious threat to your home and safety. One of the most effective ways to protect your home and loved ones is by investing in hurricane-proof window installation. Here's why it's a smart, protective, and worthwhile investment for your Doral home. Protection against strong winds and flying debris. Hurricanes and tropical storms are known for producing high winds that can turn debris into dangerous projectiles. Standard windows can easily shatter when struck, leaving your home vulnerable to damage and exposing your family to danger. Hurricane-proof windows are designed specifically to withstand these conditions. Reinforced glass technology. Hurricane-proof windows are constructed with impact-resistant glass, often using multiple layers of glass with a durable interlayer. This prevents the glass from shattering into large, sharp pieces, even if it cracks. Reduced risk of structural damage. Broken windows can lead to pressure changes inside your home, potentially causing roof damage or collapse. Hurricane-proof windows maintain the integrity of your home's exterior, reducing the risk of extensive structural damage. Increased home security. In addition to providing protection from hurricanes, impact-resistant windows enhance your home's security against break-ins. These windows are much more difficult to break than traditional glass, making it harder for potential intruders to gain access to your home. Peace of mind. Knowing your windows can withstand forced entry attempts provides an added layer of security for you and your family. Year-round security. Unlike temporary storm shutters that need to be installed before a hurricane, hurricane-proof windows offer constant protection, 24/7, throughout the year. Enhanced energy efficiency. Doral's warm and humid climate can make it challenging to keep your home cool without racking up high energy bills. Hurricane-proof windows offer excellent insulation, helping you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature without overworking your air conditioning system. Minimized heat transfer. Many hurricane-proof windows come with low E coatings that reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during hot days and helping you save on energy costs. Reduced UV damage. These windows often have UV filtering properties that protect your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading due to sun exposure, which is a common issue in sunny climates like Doral. Noise reduction. Living in Doral often means dealing with outside noise from traffic, neighbors, and other urban sounds. Hurricane-proof windows are typically thicker and more robust than standard windows, providing superior noise reduction. Peaceful indoor environment. With impact-resistant windows, you can enjoy a quieter and more serene home environment, free from the disruptions of everyday noise pollution. Compliance with local building codes. South Florida, including Doral, has stringent building codes to ensure homes are built to withstand hurricane-force winds. Installing hurricane-proof windows is a key part of meeting these requirements, which are designed to protect property and save lives. Code compliance. Choosing impact-resistant windows ensures your home meets or exceeds local building codes, offering peace of mind and avoiding potential fines or penalties. Insurance benefits. Many insurance companies offer premium discounts for homes with hurricane-proof windows because they significantly reduce the risk of storm-related damage. This can lead to savings on your homeowner's insurance policy. Convenience and reliability. Unlike temporary storm shutters, hurricane-proof windows require no last-minute installation or removal before a storm. This eliminates the need to scramble to prepare your home when a hurricane warning is issued. Permanent protection. Hurricane-proof windows provide year-round protection, meaning you don't have to worry about installing shutters or boarding up windows every time a storm approaches. Quick recovery post-storm. After a storm, homes with hurricane-proof windows often experience less damage, allowing for faster recovery and less cleanup. Increased property value. Investing in hurricane-proof window installation not only protects your home but also increases its value. Potential buyers view impact-resistant windows as a desirable feature that enhances safety, energy efficiency, and overall resilience. Higher resale value. Homes with hurricane-proof windows tend to attract more buyers and may sell at a higher price due to their added safety features. Market appeal. The added protection and energy savings are strong selling points, making your home stand out in the competitive Doral market. Protect your Doral home today. Hurricane-proof window installation is a smart investment that offers unmatched protection, energy efficiency, and peace of mind for homeowners in Doral. By upgrading to impact-resistant windows, you're taking proactive steps to protect your home, loved ones, and financial security. Don't wait for the next storm. Equip your home with hurricane-proof windows and enjoy the benefits of year-round safety and comfort.